How to put vertical status on WhatsApp. So recently, if you haven't updated the app, just go ahead and update it. Recently, WhatsApp provided a new feature which called channels. In these channels, you could follow it and get more updates like Telegram basically. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna just enter right here the WhatsApp. Next step, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on the status at the below left right here, and as you can see, I have channels on the horizontal settings. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just unfollow these two channels that I have. So I'm gonna enter this channel, click the the circle with the three dots at the top, right? And just click unfollow and confirm. Okay, and the same goes, let me go back, and the same goes for the channel that you already follow. Click the three dots with the circle, unfollow and confirm. Okay, and I'm gonna go back. Alternatively, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click explore more. Okay, in the explore more, you're gonna see the channels right here, or the status in the vertical side, or the vertical status. Okay, this is the second best solution for now, but we will let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.